You are a district magistrate?
Yes, my lord.
Government order is superior or a high court order is superior?
High court order is superior, sir.
Then implement.
सर सर इंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए हम लोग वेट कर रहे थे सर एक्चुअली सर.
Whose instruction you want?
सर
Whose instruction you want?
सर
Lord, one indulgence may be
Wait. Whose instruction you want?
हाई कोर्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन सर.
Huh?
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन.
Assistant?
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट instruction, my lord.
Assistant government instruction.
State governments, my lord.
State government.
Sorry, my lord.
Serial number 7, Sanjeet Kumar versus the State of Bihar for the petitioner Sri Shovendra Kumar.
Is there,
My lord,
is there any interim order in LPA?
My lord, in spite of our best efforts, we couldn't get the stay order in the LPA, but because the motion bench was unavailable, but now our mentioning slip has been accepted and it is in the Lavazima today. So 1 week or 2 weeks it will be heard, my lord.
No.
My lord,
What is the direction?
there are some basic difficulties. The post has been abolished.
No, that is the reason litigants will approach this court. Difficulty.
Lord, pursuant to my lord's order, my lord, we have mentioned.
Where is my order?
Order dated 27 to 22, my lord.
Where is that?
Order number 3, my lord. Lord, we have tried our level best, my lord.
No, who is the selecting and appointing authority?
District magistrate, my lord. Lord, they are all present, my lord, in compliance
what
of
is
my
it?
lord's order, my lord.
What is the difficulty?
Sir, I am N. Saravana Kumar. I am Secretary Agriculture. Sir, in
You
Kishan,
are appointing authority to Krishi Salahakar.
Sir, Krishi Salakar's selection, final recruiting and the appointing authority is basically the district magistrate.
District magistrate.
But sir, the second round of selection of Kishan Salakar's process was stopped by the state government in 2015. So that instruction has been given to all the district magistrates. So that is why the district magistrates have stopped that selection process. So in that process, only the 4 districts could complete that process. So after that, since last 7-8 years, we have not started.
Sir, why
that
you
process.
did not file such a statement in writ petition 2020 and it was pending consideration since for 2 years? In contempt, how can you take such contention? Scope of contempt is very limited, only
Sir.
to comply, that's all.
Sir, I am totally agreeing with I am aware of this, sir, but
I
sir,
will
we
not
already-
hear you. I will not hear you. I want to hear only district magistrate.
Yes, my lord.
You are a district magistrate?
Yes, my lord.
Government order is superior or a high court order is superior?
High court order is superior, sir.
Then implement.
सर इंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए हम लोग वेट कर रहे थे सर एक्चुअली सर.
Whose instruction you want?
सर
Whose instruction you want?
सर
Lord, one indulgence may be.
Wait. Whose instruction you want?
हाई कोर्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन सर. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन.
Assistant?
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट instruction, my lord.
Assistant government instruction.
State governments, my lord.
State government. Shall I record? Yes, take down.
No, my lord.
Lord,
Sorry, my lord.
kindly hear me, Lord. One
Then
opportunity.
implement. When are you going to implement?
Lord, with the sincere apologies, Lord, one opportunity may be given.
No
Lord.
question of opportunity.
Today, Lord, it has listed before the Lavazima board, my Lord, and Lord, thereafter, my Lord, may pass. They are duty bound to comply with your Lordship order, my Lord.
No, sir. Sorry.
Lord, actually, Lord,
Sir, 2014 selection matter.
True, my Lord. True, my Lord. The motion
For
bench was not
every-
available, my Lord.
State government for every selection,
Lord.
take example Group D or Class 1 conducted by BPSC, it will take 10 years, 12 years, 20 years because of mistake, one or two mistakes committed by state or commission, and matter will be taken up to Supreme Court. And here we are in the initial stage, 2014, we are in the year 2022. Just because there is a government direction to solve the process, what is the reason? What is the reason?
My Lord, one opportunity may be given as a last indulgence, my Lord. The LPA
Alright,
is registered.
subject to payment of cost, how much cost?
My Lord, the LPA has been registered, my Lord.
All
My Lord,
right, sir, it is
our
your-
difficulty was, my Lord.
It is
my Lord,
your fundamental right.
My Lord, kindly appreciate one thing, my Lord. The motion bench was not available, my
Sir,
Lord.
it is your
Therefore, it
fundamental
was our
right.
inability to mention the matter, my Lord, despite my Lord's order, my Lord, last order dated, my Lord.
Yes,
My Lord, one indulgence may be given, my
yes,
Lord.
take down. Learn Council for the State, Mr. So and so, seeks further time to comply the order dated 3/1/2022 order. Full stop. It is to be noted that matter relates to selection and appointment to the post of Krishi Salahakar within bracket agriculture advisor pursuant to the advertisement number 633 dated 9/10/2014. Full stop. The Learned Council for the State submitted on instruction that an LPA has been preferred against the order dated 3/1/2022 passed in CWJC 6320 of 2020. Full stop. The state respondents had sufficient time. We are in the month of August 2022 in preparing LPA and obtaining interim order staying the operation of this order. Full stop. The present contempt petition was filed first week of July 2022. Further, the matter was listed on 20th July 2022 and relisted today. Therefore, request for time sought on behalf of the state is hereby rejected. The concerned respondents are hereby directed to process the selection and apprise this court by next week in filing affidavit to what extent process of selection has commenced and what is the stage as on the date of filing affidavit. Full stop. The respondents could have processed the selection subject to outcome of LPA stated to have been filed by them. Full stop. Release this matter next week for non-compliance of the previous order. The respondents are hereby directed to pay cost of rupees 25,000 in the High Court Legal Service Authority before next date of hearing.
Lord, the
Next
cost may be waived, my Lord, my Lord.
Huh?
Cost may be waived, my Lord.
2014, please
Lord, true,
see
my Lord.
the dates and events.
Lord, my Lord, we
See the dates and events.
Lord, we appreciate the
Shall I
sentiments
record
of the
the
court.
district magistrate submission?
No, my Lord. Young officer, my Lord.
Huh?
He's a young officer, my Lord. He's
Young officer, so old officer can be
no, no,
huh?
no.
Commit any mistake.
But cost may be
Ask
waived.
them to process. No.
Lord, then, my Lord, it may be.
Sir, he doesn't have value for this court order. He is awaiting for the state government order direction as he openly and frankly submitted.
Lord, actually, he intended to submit before your lordship that he is awaiting instruction from the
Awaiting
superior
instruction.
authorities in compliance of my lord's for compliance of my lord's order, my Lord. That is what he wanted to say, my Lord.
If the payment of cost is there, then they will be very active in implementation of the order. Otherwise,
So-
they will take it very leisurely and casually.
Lord, some more time may be given, my Lord, to comply this order.
No,
my
no,
Lord.
no. What is the stage of the selection after advertisement?
My lord, in few districts, my lord, it has completed, my lord, and there are
What few districts? Is it
only
a
in
district-wise
only in
recruitment?
4 districts, my lord, the selection has completed. my
Huh?
lord. Only in 4 districts, my lord, the selection process has been
This
completed.
is relating to which district?
District Rohtas.
Huh?
Rohtas,
Rohtas.
my lord.
Why it has not been completed? What is the stage at least as on the date of receipt of the state government's instruction to stall further proceedings in the year 2015? God only knows.
My lord, the final merit list was.
Who are you?
I am a law officer, standing council 15, my lord,
Standing counsel
for the state government.
he is appearing for state.
My lord, I am also appearing for the state, my lord.
How only one person can appear?
My lord.
Huh.
He's pursuing the LPA.
Are you advocate general? No, you don't have voice. He has already argued the matter. Next.
Serial number 8, Hasib Ahmad Khan versus the Additional Director General of Police for the petitioner Sri Prashant Kumar.
My lord, further appearance may be dispensed with, my lord.
No, let them come. What is the distance from Rohtas?
It takes 4 hours to travel, my lord.
All right, impose a condition. If the order is complied by the district magistrate before the next date of hearing, his personal appearance stands dispensed.
And my lord,
If it is complied,
my lord, and
otherwise he has to be here.
my lord, and principal secretary, my lord.
Principal secretary, he has been asked to appear.
Yes. Yes.
No, there is order.
Yes.
Personal appearance of the principal secretary stands dispensed until further orders. Mr. Principal Secretary, see that it is implemented. See that it is implemented.
Sir, definitely. Sir.
You can put a rider subject to result of the LPA.
Right, sir.
Don't take further years together. People are the peoples are without employment. In 4 districts you have completed. In 1 district, what is the issue? MLA is interested in that district. Installing the process of recruitment. Is there any hand of the MLA, local MLA?
No, not at all, sir. Absolutely no.
Then why there is a discrimination? When you have implemented for 4 districts, why it has not been implemented in respect of 1 district?
Sir, out of 38 districts, my lord, the first phase of selection has already been done in 2010. In 2014, there were some vacancies in all the districts. When it was carried out, so the government took a decision in 2015, middle of 2015, in the month of July 2015, that further selection will not be done because there was a state government's order, the General Administration Department's order, saying that all kinds of recruitments, selections or recruitments based on contractual appointments.
This
So
is
that's-
contractual.
So it is not even a contractual, sir. Actually, it's basically they are only farmer advisors, Kisan Salakas. So, it is not against any
Then
sanction.
why don't you implement and it is a limited period.
Sir.
Thereafter you can dispense.
Sir.
When you invest crores of rupees in a project, it's a few lakhs. Yes.